What's TedsWoodworking? An incredible resource for woodworkers of all skill levels and interests, TedsWoodworking has been seen in respected industry publications such as the Woodworkers Journal as well as general media outlets such as LA Weekly and ABC News. Ted McGrath is a certified master woodworker, trainer, author and member of Architectural Woodwork Institute. He believes in the core principles of simple in woodworking, using detailed plans for maximum effectiveness for minimal effort. Instant access to all 16,000 projects with step-by-step details, plans, cutting and materials list and more. Bonus number 1, lifetime free monthly plans, no recurring fees or other charges. Bonus number 2, custom plans, free. You can request custom plans for a specific project in mind. Bonus number 3, lifetime support via email and forum. Bonus number 4, a treasure trove of tutorials and in-depth woodworking training. Bonus number 5, DWG and CAD plan viewer so you can edit and modify your plans. Bonus number 6 to 150 premium woodworking videos covering a wide range of topics, hosted by master craftsmen. Bonus number 7, how to start a woodworking business book. Learn how to make money selling your custom woodwork. Bonus number 8, complete woodworking guides, over 200 pages of tips and tricks with detailed drawings and diagrams. John testimonials review. Barry review. Thanks for watching. Click on the link below.